Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Filmora transitions for quick social media edits, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Filmora transitions for quick social media edits, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Filmora website. Look for the templates section in the main menu. Click on it to explore the available downloads. In the templates section, find the transitions category. Browse through the selection of transitions available for Filmora. Once you find a transition pack you like, click on it for more details. Check the compatibility information to ensure it works with your version of Filmora. Review any previews or descriptions provided to understand how the transitions look. Look for the download button and click it to start the download. If prompted, choose a location on your computer to save the file. Wait for the download to complete before proceeding. Once downloaded, locate the file in your computer's designated folder. Typically, the transitions will be in a zip file format. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All to unzip it. Choose the destination folder where you want to extract the files. Open Filmora and go to the Effects tab in the main interface. Click on the Transitions subtab to access the Transitions panel. Look for the Import option. This will allow you to add your downloaded transitions. Select the folder where you extracted the transition files. Highlight the transition files you want to import and click Open. Your new transitions will now appear in the Transitions library of Filmora. You can start using them in your video edits immediately. Drag and drop your chosen transitions onto the timeline as needed. Enjoy creating quick and impactful social media edits using your new Filmora transitions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.